So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So we are going to be doing in-depth analysis of what GBPJPY will be doing for the day. So the first thing to those of you guys that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you're not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend on our GBPJPY. What can you say the trend is on your GBPJPY? Remember, before you take a trade, first you need to know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. What can we say the trend is on our GBPJPY? This is very clear and it is very simple. GBPJPY is in an uptrend. We are trending to the upside. This is very much a bullish market move. Now, this is the movement right here, guys. Market did push up to form an high. Here is the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is an equal higher low right here. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Then it pushed up to form a new higher high. This is an higher low right here. So market has now pulled back to form an higher low. Now, if you take a look at what market did right here, this level, market was once ranging within this level, right? Market eventually broke above it, then it has now come back to test this support level, resistance level, which was previously, ranging market move, right? It was previously ranging. So market was able to pull back to test it, and now we've tested it. Market should now be pushing up again. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what you should be expecting for the day. As you can see, market has tested our resistance level. Now we should be expecting market to push up. So a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.